Let's make costumes, oh what a delight, for Halloween fun on a spooky night. Baby shark's family in colors so bright, yellow, pink, and blue, they're a joyful sight. Start with some felt, soft and neat, add fins and tails to make it complete. Cut a big belly, all white and round, glue it on shirts, let the sharks abound. Snip, snap, teeth, all zigzag and sharp, glue them on hoodies for the sharky spark. Big round eyes in black and white, stick them up high for a funny fright. Don't forget the fin on the back, stuff it with cotton, keep it on track. Side fins for arms, a tail for flair, now your sharky costume is beyond compare. Mommy shark's pink, daddy shark's blue, grandma's orange and grandpa's green too. Baby shark's yellow, cutest of all, a family of sharks to rule the hall. Glue or sew, let your creativity show, add bubbles or make the fins glow. Sing the song, do-do-do-do, your Halloween sharks will shine right through. So grab your felt and scissors fast, Halloween's here, have a blast. With baby shark costumes you're ready to play, a fun-tastic time on this spooky